Ever wondered why Bitcoin, the world's first and most popular cryptocurrency, can fluctuate so wildly in value? The answer lies not only in market demand but also in the actions of big players. And who's a bigger player than the United States government? Recently, the US government announced plans to auction off more than 2,900 Bitcoins, a collection worth around $118 million. Now that's a lot of Bitcoin, but is it enough to shake the market? Analysts say not really. To put things into perspective, this amount is but a tiny portion compared to the outflows from Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, or GBTC. GBTC is one of the largest digital currency asset managers in the world. Their recent outflows dwarf the government's planned sale, making it look like peanuts. So what does this mean for the Bitcoin market? Well, despite the significant amount of Bitcoin being sold, the impact on the market will likely be minimal. This is due to the sheer volume of Bitcoin traded daily on global exchanges. However, it's important to note that the US government sale could impact market sentiment. While the actual amount may not be significant enough to cause a major price swing, the news of the sale itself can influence traders' perceptions and behavior. In summary, the US government's planned sale of over 2,900 Bitcoins might sound like a lot, but in the grand scheme of things, it's just a drop in the bucket. The real market movers are the large asset managers like Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. Remember, Bitcoin's value is influenced by a complex interplay of factors, from market demand to the actions of major players, and even news events. Keeping an eye on these elements can help you better understand the ebbs and flows of the cryptocurrency market. Stay informed, stay savvy, and as always, keep an eye on those Bitcoins.